Hey, Uninato, I walk back here, Panama for it, you know, mammy. Could me and mammy a thing, now miss me betty a baby. Nana coming won't video and a cheat, yeah, miss me, tia the finest, or your wonders, so it's the day on a couple pampers. Rather than with a walking lane, and your free crowd of a baby sound check. La 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 la, and just if I want to la. Radio Nano offend, bien no, so louder. I dig it up, I dig it, if you believe, hooray. I don't see them ready, the finest, open up, bring your dancing shoes, and I'll be a family. Party all night long, who is who? As I born in the Kumasa, and I come in Perry. Oh, hey, the finest, Yo, this is K my bro. Hype lyrics. The finest.
Ayuko.
Look at the two of you dancing that way, lost in the moment and each other's face. So much in love, you're
Ayuko.
like there's nobody else in the world. I wasn't
5 after 12. Nobody understands radio better than I do.
Here to catch me.
And I make sure I serve you nothing but what you want to hear every afternoon. Like for the Okoma 97.1 radio. I call by the name Nana Kwame Perry. You can call me the ultimate finest. The man, you know, catch you in the way.
Know me good, but you know me good enough.
Hey, do some memory.
Okay.
Send me over your radio, so.
Okay.
Anyway, for God and country.
Just close.
It's yet another refreshing Monday afternoon, a brand new week, a fresh start. What do you want to achieve?
Put your loving on me.
Trust me, the week is going to be blessed. A whole lot of surprises. Good news. Nothing is going to be bad. From my able producer,
there's a chance that
Mr. Kwakubu Atimboache, KBB, my executive producer, I've been faster I can see him from my Gideon into, not forgetting my good brother, Okori Ajiman. And I call me up and said, to the entire staff, Nana Otamia, Esther, supporting me 247 on the radio. It's yet another edition of Ayiko live on Okoma 97.1 radio. Your friend Richard Nana Kwame Perry will be me from the finest and men in a catch you in me. But I never knew be didn't come walk a crack. What do you say? And come on, I knew be dinner. One say Yankupon Obobia, and I do much at the domino. Me, your woman, and not do any say me bobo. Because Obi only me fit him in color bremu be any say body and me ya the pa minimum. Minimum pa. Me I mean say minimum. It right from me basic to secondary school right to tertiary. Omunyi na enim say minimum bobo. My both teams are fine. But you see, Obi Aba Yakupon Chen Adoma Chedi no enye mienu ane emiensa. And yeah, Dana make a chenko for how I got into radio. Mr. Miakazagre, Mr. Besine. Radio was not part of the deal. Nenka business in Hokra. Etienne, me abran TV better chenko. Put your love. Send you know what me nyasa a foresight no. Na omani ma yenema ewo Ghana ene akuapem ha no. Stay tuned. I have a surprise for you in the studios of Okoma 97.1 and this is the biggest afternoon show with the boss himself Nana Kwame Perry. You can call me the ultimate finest. And me you catch you in me. I'll be right back.
Bro, Kojo, obey exams na wetwa no yopo say. Eh, na ifa na auto textbooks no efi.
Many abia, me bay addition fapim enyina ejina Runis Bookshop and Stationery so. Say open exercise books, textbooks, calculators, mathematical sets OB. Obake to ensu ya enche obehye suku asi. Orokwa na ni wakwa akoto ni crayons, color pencil, sketchbook ana afin so no eye eraser na ede yafi Runis Bookshop and Stationery.
Enti me ba panyi owo secondary school nso no men den.
Insuro Runis Bookshop e books edema mofra efi nursery ekopim senior high school nyina ebi e na aso ye obake to enso o nursery no eba ni crayons color pencil erasers and afi sharpeners oko Runis Bookshop and Stationery unsabeka
Hey sir, na ifa na me hu Runis Bookshop and Stationery tra kwan
Runis Bookshops and Stationery ewo Mamfia Kwapim police station no anim hope and afre no ewo 0249 219 599 0249 219 599 and 0243 946-483 0243-946-483 Runis Bookshop and Stationery na wama humesia ayete money oh hey money oh
Hey, Flora Tissue, Cell Original. Flora Tissue, lead the way. Flora Tissue, if it's feel you go wipe, go wipe. We get the Flora Joy, your parties, engagement and weddings. Flora Smile, for your office and meetings, for the market. Flora Giant, your gigantic event and many things. Flora Kids, and voila no. Flora Tissue, show me the way. Flora Tissue, if it's sweat you go wipe, go wipe. Flora Tissue.
sweat, spill, wipe. At phone free 0243 033 033.
Oima, tina me mau treat.
Wow, my is so impressed. She seen your atmosphere near so serene. Near house society needs fan. Me did say, send your higher fin. Sansuya no one doing your deafening.
Anokwa kasana no wakano. When you say about fried rice with chicken, jollof with chicken, plain rice with gravy, plain rice with vegetable stew, assorted fried rice, assorted jollof. Any nyani akeka ho bebre, banku twetia, any fufu, ampesi nso ewo. Nyani nyina wo pe, na wo pese wudi, na wo feel okay. But what do you say we do when you chill out, eatery and pub? Say about continental and local dishes. Was say ebeka bi e chill out, eatery and pub. Pizza, spring roll, shawarma. Eba ensan emu yenyu, ne ebro ne mbroa. Ni nyina ebi e chill out, eatery and pub. So ube didi e feel good there, and ye biaya na any chill out, eatery and pub. Ube didi good, na feel good. Chill out. E Ekufu Road ne so police station no nchemu pe. Frɛ won e 0554 039939 and 05349892227 05349892227 and 0554039939. Oka chill out, eatery and papa. Or see didi good, na feel good.
It's a Friday night, oh, when we drop in this party, people got your lights on.
Middle, now then I want to why stay for Sano. Eh, ono kwano no. Jama wa bre.
Akos, send your men send me name much shemeno. E mo yeti triti. Mentumi pon sorry.
Wo hu na enwanwa. Enu am free jom ba na me ka kire wo say. Mato 3P garlic mixture ba. Enti numbi ansa na wakoda. Me hu ya ne se wada. Se wanom.
3P garlic mixture.
Emma moja edu mo fusane no. E cheye. Natural garlic papa bi ene ye dia ye.
Aha. Na no na madam fu kofimpo ka kire me say. He work natural health for bi bidrobi omodi aba. Ye friend no 3P garlic mixture.
Wo ko tojo ne waposo na sorry a wo complain no. Sa wonum 3P a ebe jani se hu. Edro yi enya mapemfo, ema wo ma wo manofo, ananse nkwada wo nyanya mfie dumienu. FDA agi edwedie nkratso yi atum.
3P garlic mixture. Ubenya bi wo mamu pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops nyinamu. Bokuma say ubenya bi wo Misty Herbal, Colinac Herbal, Apidang, Danny Herbal, and Angelos. Fred Piwak e 024-89-28824 and 020-100-0021.
Me pa nene de me adma me skin say black spots J menim boss na me read den so aye basa we ja me areho any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of product ma'am. Glutathione ne collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etiani na mani ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenshia wamma me read de aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu.
Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. Enya cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomodia the weni choma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Somebody person to call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. Anelfo almost supply abo anya. Anelfo bibi biara wo pebia wo building site wo. Kaiser almost so they are into real estate development and so it would dino person opejan in Tempa. Ofra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so for any chino obosumasi ekwapem. Amonochrome ekwapem. Koforidua Asunjay Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company wo from I was 055-295-7198 0594-635656 050-280-8992 and 027-90-12954. Woko social media handles in nyina eye Ofla Construction Limited Company wonsa erekomo Kaiser omo free delivery baby awo bi emfa ho ye de bekwa koja on Tempara say nya Ofla dia and there you are not building Kayo say Ofla Construction Limited Company your property our priority.
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM ye doye tie for ye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nnwumaku ahoro se wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ya ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akonya eda wo bibi na ato na wo pese ye bo ho dero edema wa akonya eda ho bra ana sa jingle ho sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akonya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa no live ewo Command Radio so a akonya da ho se ye edema wo ne hia ne sa wo be freying ewo 0202 993475 and 0594 630059 and 0246 246 875 or Command Radio and Okriape Mayano.
Okriape Mayano. Or Command Radio. It's your baby.
Ayuko.
Dad chased monsters from the dark.
I mean, fast I can see him from my super plan Ghana. I'm on my bomber, the so my saying. Not forgetting Safari.
Up over top his head.
Valley Echo Park.
He could loosen rusty bolts.
Chill out, E3 and Pop.
Turn up his ring.
And Sunyami a choba. Don Pablo Pop. Woman, you know, Kutama singing at me day. The best afternoon show, bro. Your friend, are you cool?
In 13,
you did jam in idea, so you that.
Seen him cry.
Nana Kwame Perry. Wait me, my friend, with the finest. The men in our catch. Good afternoon, Adria. Jam Fum. Sammy Fum, oh, yeah.
Unbreakable walls.
Good afternoon, Eja. Not forgetting, my very own Akoshi of Akoshi and Sano. Good afternoon. Not forgetting Perseverance as well. Telephone na ACP Ajetimo Sabi biabo code
stop and go
na mi bon komono na mi nua bon nitinko sa me sha say na mi se bon na mebo na mi nim say ye free bibi mpo radio ameba be yebi na oh no credit ba kope obia oni mi ko school bia me ka chose bon ni de na me pe me pebo pa intimidate baby abo bia na ade bia woni mu ye nso no oh yeah what the passion na ade no nti ubi so bia no ne me wo park so a oh ye do woni mi ntimi mbobo mepem kura banyame adom the story tend to be a different thing altogether. Glory be to God, say at least all baby no dum obi ene na chede foforo mami hwe BH J Studios. BAG.
Yeah.
BAG. Stand for what?
BHJ. By His Grace.
By His Grace. It by His Grace in Edu baby. It by His Grace Studios. Say a proud CEO. Edini.
Because Frank is back.
Frank is back.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you know, and he has been a sensational person for Ekwapem. We share the way and manner of carrying home and in the eye. For talent in the cry is something else. Charlie, Ekwape ya bre. Me enti Ekwape mano me yedin so beti me nya great footballer and say ye nya supporters ye nya aboafo.
Yeah.
What I say. It is also better na hana the abobo the end ebibu abo. And na enye ball pe. Many talents have been killed over here, all because we didn't get the right people to support us. And now say some will be mentoring and on be nature and no more do. So I say we didn't get that. At the end, a day case talent hunting in Aba. At the end, they buy also die saying and a chassis saying I will be do season 3.
Season 4.
Oh, really? Wow. It's a chassis saying.
Wajo mefa asa kwenye yesu die chia Command Radio 97.1.
Right.
Etiefo mutie en radio no so na mosanso won a wohwe en Facebook ni YouTube live no. Ebechia wonyina na afi bechia me etiefo won so ene de won adwen ni me ewo Command Radio so. Na mechia o meda wasenso ewo akwanya na madam penfo so asese wama akwanya se ye metina na yenkasa mfa talent ho.
That's right.
BAG Studio say a studio ewo Ekropon Ekwapem ha ewo sese ne de yakọ school for the blind washing bay no opposite na ni nyina start ewo BH Chin Studios abra mi SHS no na SSM mi bribi nti mi wo school ni nyina sata no na me entertainment ne sa na no na me rap ne sa na na me rap ankasa so nti mi SHS ne SSM to aso nti me koye journalism kakra is Legon and I made we so count beat making a count. Nti me wie no na me call tema. Okay wa ho. Kiwa ye me boss no na o training me. You highly spiritual boss. Nti no kiwa nso so nipa bebre aba last minute morning wa okeka kan. Nti me ba na se me san be mechi. They be America say ye wade a eyi. Say wade wo fi a eyi. Na me ma we say ne me ba be build me studio no ekropon. Aha. Na ebi mo reka say oh
one two
ama wo tu me fo pa
o wan ka jose ma
afutu do tu me bi
onim
o tu me bi na yen regret edu baby ya wo mu debate yen regret because ne odi kan no nim say na kwan no sote enti wo tu me fo si ma me studio no ha at me say oh anya bibia na e de be ko nkran anya bibia na e de be ko koforedua wo be hwe ma that large format print kra no na say ne bi yes e ba ha nka e be print ya je say fa ka ko
kofodua na madina
enye but yen kro yi mu no so nka yetimi yesa na mani bia nka e be ma kro no
that is the spirit and no spirit no monte as you know say metimi atwa ka say video ka jo say me na me be first garage wo kwapema
wow
yeah na we do police station opposite
wow
and we bibia we uncle kwapemi ni be ka che say oh enye
wa ha
enye aden na wo ye wadwuma won kran
na wodi aba
me metimi atwa even day Ameriba hampo abeye adwuma mpo bi say na what kran a waji wudin a wo ye
obeye wa ha so obeye den wa na wo be ka kire wo say
na won tra won kran na won nya wa adwuma
za na wo be ka kire but na me hu say based on experience intina ya na ebimo no yeden kasa ntimi be za me kan be studio na ebimo kan mi nipa bia na oboa me boss ba pa me mo ni di wa boa me pa me say me teacher ni bi o tu me for se me ye wa na me so bibia nya bibia na ebe ko baby me yen develop okwapeman ntimi de studio e ba challenges be brain FM but ya ma embu ya bem the true ye ni mu na me say okay then I meet me aye aside so bi beba na me recording nyoma aye saade no na reality show no ni ade no so no ye hwa amofra won na ho no esese bibi wo mu na me talented kids motivate TV3 program wow just say okay so what ya auditions ni ade na ya wokoye wo Accra Takrade na Kumasi Central region asa womba Eastern region po so you guys okay and na ye mofra wo around no so then na ye betimi dia aboa won se na yen around no increasing so etwetwe ho ahia kwamoso ne ne keka ho ne na ye say won nyina no won so beti anya opportunity enti me fi ase say okay ne ye fi ase me be fair team say ye be bibi say talent hunt na talent hunt na ya focus so ewo mofra nkwa na ahwe mofra bibi ewu mu kwapema mu na ane Ghana be bibia na ya den aboa saafo no enti ye started wo Osai Broom.
Okay.
First we are nipa oba 8. No fra oba register 8.
Wow.
Season 1 that was 2020. And I had the share so. It is a ubi say yeah studio no hu kwani abana na enam so na yede benya talent hunt.
When him say empem bebre nkofo nim say adwene hunsu eno an wo de yankwan
eno ane
wonim nya wo mni say wa bi studio dia na obetimi di studio na ye
sure
radio is ye kropon ha wo ton ade o say yento eti woro twen den so we bodo for man na be advert
na o say ba ade ba ko ne say nipa bebre na nim the power of social media and I say the power of
the media
of adverts ebimu nim and as of the media they don't some of them they don't know that
who say normal
me eto there bi na say adwuma ba o studio wa na makoye posters me posters I mean spend be say almost 1,000 cedis
all right
but me tell poster be fi never say man ponko ko so edu krom edu aprede no metimi enya nipa be say 5 I be recording you say me jo wa ku bia 500 cedis kura ya 2000 metal 1000 and minya 1000
ubenya
good you know I be mu the essence of publicity and you know and also ka ho na e ma ebi mo ho a wo ye bibia entime enko
right yanhwe talent hunt no wabo modern a kyerɛ baby a efi any baby a abedu why season 1 no winner no minim sɛ bibia hyase e di empepenso be no no adu
enti season 1 no Whitney ono winning Whitney menu bia ekufu ne ba alright na o win no on tikrom ha no wo Accra na wo wi a sika ka ho na promotional package so e ka ho e wi no ye de won call interviews ye recording nyum one first nyum ye Happy Destiny ono ni Copernicus na ye yes anyum no ye radio to ho but ye wi program na e no bia ne star obi obeti ye win but ye national programs saa for no wontimi nya chance ebi wo ho so ya when winning so obeti nya chance obi wo so winning so obesan so nya chance until witness that promo ne man on season 1 for na Prince on the beat kan Prince on the beat ne papa ya me friend o friend set ekufu until ono say ne call talented case last year 2022 oko ye could do episode 8 na vote won sensem no kwapem no Eastern region ha no last time lady na oko na work na asem na ebi mu ba hye aye page ne so no na man for recasi na obi comment say Eastern region we employ support the vote na ebi mu against it but na me nim na ntia we against it because wo mu a wo say about reality shows and is an na man for ye hye da nya sa support no vote ni ade ne ma enu bi ne heto ye but yenhwe ade a ye record 12 episodes na yetia kodu 8 na ye unga ye fi no kra na Prince de ngwa na beat making and looking at his talent or she after 11 years that time no she beat or creative beat from scratch within 5 minutes 4 minutes no yes no aye nyom no beat na che say nyom no nti ono say Prince ye ko bai Shatawale mu nyina bebo Prince dia be tweet no aba be share the staffs last time oba yeba we all black affairs wa hai Shatawale be post Prince on the beat nti ono so fi talent hunt season 1 ye fi as yo yen fair short o na e was sign broom na Prince so e dey be stay e wo media ma o search we ya Prince on the beat a o ntimi nka so ri hu no e ne ko GTV ye wie no season 2 so ye winner ye nya winners nso e wo mu na won so ye ne say ye ma we promote won na season 3 season 2 ne ye wo old police station so we hwa na utwa mo ho anwumre Sunday bia na nya asem keto akra
na ze ho asopa
na ye just say ho so de ye de ba na na season 3 ye be ye wo post office anim ho pe season 3 ye winners ni nya won no Angel the dancing angel and Rich Obed and OP nti saafu ye wie ne ye won nwon kwa ba ha be promote ka do ba ye ko radio to ha won so wonwum ne nyame ha nti won so na ye wie pe na ye de Angel the dancing angel ofia pred ye de ne call GTV a breakfast show no so ene me no ka say me na kwa koshia Dance God Lloyd
yes I saw BBC I say my post on social media
he's a good person because you can just outside MP ma you could ji ngani ni ade nyina kan before we call Dubai na say anti my friend benefit be brave and when last season season 3 say Safari Valley Resort ebemu my packages be brave e ma sa mo fry anti ori bisa ni benefit am friend nya wo kwa mam ye so na nya sa o me ka say me ye nyom and I me call Adom FM. Me call Adom FM si me call promote me nyom.
That's right.
Me we call na me se me call live watch. Me fight. Me nya be bia nyina. But mo fra no ye pia won a. Wo say na we adu ho. Ye pia ndimi ka se Yesu an ye nya
sa konya
boy say na okay. Say nka wo na unyo obi okrum ha na wo so mu na wo so pia wan ka bi kra. Nka wo international footballer.
I ka ba say nka me adu pa because no many je ho. All right, it season 4 what should people expect? At the end na e be different from previous seasons in aba ni na say Safari album modern and they want to man abi so was saying worry pia ba we. What should people expect this season 4?
This season no so no gidi. On say bibi da bia make a fit time if you are season 1 wo hwe say na ye ne ma yete 2 3 no ababesi 4 year communal time bia enioma different ebema Emma program no say na no wutum say face ne dey asesa this year no amount for expect something different be different no ba show na say oba be hu na Safari Valley Resort say na kan no afiwe no na wode ye ne won akayentama aboma abom je say yere ye Kiss Talent Hunt season 4 na nienti am ho titiri no ye say registration honsem na mama update on behalf of Kiss Talent Hunt ye team no ama update about senior program ne efa nyame adum ye bue audition ne to my July na registration no na registration na say am no can say 29th of this month no na the registration ni na abanewi na bia abofra no talent e bia o rapper otimi rappe otimi singing otimi ka anwensem o ka anwensem o actor o dancer o comedy any talent o DJ beat maker saafu yi nyina na ebu akwanya mu atoma mo se won den BAG Studios Kiss Talent Hunt no baby I start won a wo hu yi wo do ani adi achi hu se emfa de bebre enye sika enye mema o se na the end of the day we be competition no wunya fa wuntimi fa ma won meye se ya ma won meye wo se me de wo be ko ha na after at the end of the day na after the parents ne high won out they make us one work Kiss Talent Hunt they are blessed because we the team no yenye enibrefo yenye enimbra de ye hwe baby a abofran future anso be den akwa na ye hwe sika ebia ye me ni amanfo ana team ye ni amanfo kasa ye kase yenya hwe wo program no mobi timi kura kase wonya hwe de ani jaye by the end of the day no me nkase me nya hwe nti enya de pa me ye so wo de brochure fam na ba brochure fam wo bra ye be twa na ye de kubensu ye dua kubensu a ye wo time ono so be so di nti ye nim se ye dua madaache enti no enye abofra no maame ni sika na papa ni sika na emum no ne wa abofra nim ti talent ya abobosu nyina no ye talent ya expected this time they say registration gusu kosu gidigidi nti se oba tifie na se wa mfa na mabia your how na ne ye enije sem kese ne se yenga ye program ye fiu kwapema mu ha enti program Kiss Talent Hunt BAG Studios ye de aba no ye wa ha ni ye fi ha yenya hoho a ye fi ba bia ba be daada obi abechinchim ne nsa ne egun akwa fi krom ya esan se fi ha no na krom ha da dwenda ya nso ni ntino ene ye fra awofo maamefo papafo obi bia se ne babi na adamfo bi akwa abofra bi wo talent a onfanemra no be register no emra Kiss Talent Hunt season 4 we so
na forms no obi pe bi obenya bi we
me ba just obi pe bi a obenya bi ewo BAG Studios ye wo washing be a School for the Blind opposite one pe efe obesanso anya bi wo Printweb Printweb old police station maybe we printing no obenya bi wo Chooks Enterprise also wo old police station in Chewa mobile money shop na obenya bi wo Jehovah Rapha Health Consult 20,000 obi wo egropon bia nim 20,000 house Mr. Poku Jachi won fi ho no baby a wo ton ndru ni ade ho no obenya bi nso wo Major Pharmacy Major Pharmacy
super opposite
obenya
timi bo almost sponsor program inti
yo Major de season 1 so one yen na season 2 so one yen na Jackie ana ni Jackie no Christ Junction mobile money obenya bi nso wo BBF print and I say La Dance digital print I wo Edukrum Akoto Junction obenya bi wo sam ye ya mabobo na say ofre 0246 another 46 8528 0242 052888 onya fresa na mesia ye beje no so na ya boa no oko Facebook nso ya din ne din Kiss Talent Hunt but I feel ye ne Safari fu na ye ka o ya ka bu ma ye no ye ne Safari Valley Resort Kiss Talent Hunt season 4 nti we hwe on Facebook a obehu na what me message ye na nkitahu di bia nso ye ho no na ye ne wadi
right na number obi person of wo so
your number no obese offer for information bia obetia offer 0246 46 8528 0246 46 8528 and I say 0242 052888
Abusua sa woritie me awie na sambre men kasa aya tenten a na me ne Kiss Talent Hunt BAG Studios 4 na yare twetwe nkomo a me nua Kwasi Frankie Bay na me ne no twetwe nkomo yi na nkomo ni nyina ye se season 4 no reba so na wohwɛ mo abrantie de boa nkwalae a dachi bi me banana bena minim asa na yo ya ade
okay
na penini de onu minya hu
ne talent
onu ne de na be book na so kan ade sa
obi o ne de we ne den o se me kan sa you do so a ne talent
you ye me teta wo mi hu ne o betimi aya na ye o sa beto so na ye pia sa enti no meda wase dadofo bi asamre aboa mu abedu sa pepper so do wase
na me refi bi ages ne 6 to 13 years
right.
And our forms in 50 CDs.
Wow, anyway, with them
now I feel no Mechia Park Sam, Power Ventures Limited.
Okay.
CEO Chicago, Nyame Adoma 19th any birthday Park Sam. Also ya se pampe 50 season 1, abesi season 4.
Okay.
Mechia Kiss Talent Hunt team funina team ni na BAG Studios crew. Na nasa for fianko ono so Mechia na
honorable.
Yo, honorable. Sorry, honorable.
That's right.
Honorable na nasa for fianko Michiano efe Michia successful lady my ngasa me successful lady ane maame en aka baby a na me adoma 20 afi obeyi ni maame ne papa nso obeyi ni 8 January sorry 8 December meka chene se on shedding ewo okunwe ya okun numu na me se nyankopon ngasa ebe she ne dia no nyam michio bibia otie yen sabe michia mpenfo a wo okuman a wo maame akwanya Mr Gideon na manager and KBB
or the Kweku Boache
Mr. Kweku Boache and na odamia Donzi so michiano we on men chiana obekum Madam K awiti wo kwan so ase anu so no michio bibia
let us say minua kwasi say wonso enne wodi BAG Studios ebeto ayen ewo Ayiko Jumedi so yeda wase eburu
Your country boy the man of I guitar do yes I play
Ayiko
watch your country boy before we display argument material we could just drop this clearly and get ready now
Ayiko and it's just about 17 after 1 and then 9th day in the month of October 2023 we are live and in charge on Ayiko live on Okuma 97.1 radio. I go by the name Nana Kwame Perry, the ultimate finest and member in our catch me. We control the airways. Good afternoon.
We thank thee each morning for a newborn day, where we may work the fields of new mown hay.
in the month of October 2023.
Cause I used to hold her.
And of course, in the month of October 2023.
Work took me away. Cause I used home late at night.
And of course,
and I was 2023. When she turned out home late. Then both of us got lonely. And I gave in to lust.
All right, thank you for joining me.
Just couldn't live with a man she couldn't trust.
Live on Okuma 97.1 Radio. Ayuko is the show. My name is Nana Kwame Perry. You can call me the ultimate finest. I wish you move for more messages in Emra. And I may bro for some kakra.
She needs somebody.
Yeah, she needs somebody.
Gently pick her up.
All right, join me on Facebook Live for Okuman Radio 97.1, YouTube Okuman Radio 97.1, Twitter at Okuman 971, Instagram at Okuman 971. The magic numbers are 0554166775. That is your WhatsApp line as well. Just WhatsApp me anything. Want me to tell that special person for you. Greetings going out to Teresa Owusu.
Now she
not forgetting Susan. Inside the right. I know what they. Yeah. All right, I wish you Russell says here Pumudin tidbit, you know, and it's about 34 after 1. Your mama didn't hear your healthy bit, you know, watch them. And now you share a war, a song for war, a war, honey. And now you hear song for war. That the health benefits and advantages of honey has been valued since ages. When you say, "Enkante tekura no tekura ye mama nom, ye papa nom, ye nana kanswanom." A warrior di omunsi ne famous and so munim say, "A buoni peduana konya san bebiri so." Na baako a mede bema wonne na ye Monday mema mi no echina ne atoa so echina chini atoa so akosi fiada. And you share the first benefit of a war and I say so papa bia yetimi nya fie wo mu a emma uni peduano office bia uni peduano mu ayedu it manages your weight. So what you say opeso weight, you know, so take akra mu ayedu why your best. Obi won mo kro nyo best ba ohun say anybody no achese ni mu abeye duma oye hwe kura nye yi to america ha ne ha na ote so. If you want to manage your weight and you me patcho tedi a war pa a war honey brony friend honey Alpha is strengthening your immune system. Immune system no so nkwambo no betimi aye dwumaden e woni pedue nim no so tedi a war udi a war na udi ne dodo nso a eboa wo tie la sanka mi di two na emu ba mi producer se me fa ba kon it nourishes your skin and face. So what you say e mani pedua no eso esta wo pese oni pedua no ye kama tedi awo wo tedi awo bonsa mpa oni pedua no aye sweet sa wo behwe odamia na hwe esta na wo behwe me wo hwe okomambroni ma John wo hwe obia chese ye tedi awo pa me ewo no wo betumi na mi di a mi twati e bi wom mi yeso kinse bi wom mi di koko e bi wom. Enti award ye means in fem. Enti ene me did 3 in a bema. It is very useful when it comes to weight management. So person will sote na weight no normal. So what you say no what idea wa e wona kasa betimi manage you ema weight no swat in efe. Wa be smart be. Efe so strengthen wo immune system na ma immune system kwambo na asambere bo edwuma no e me mo den. Efe ma oni pedua no skin no eni da what idea wa obo se da skin no na I nourishing. I so fe. If you when you so say when you da hok enye kadem bia. Inti enoni adia me de be ma. Ebuja Kai said is brought to you by Kanketi say chill out eatery and pop. On my dama na me de hot fit beat here the grill. Now Oka chill out eatery and papa. Say fried rice with chicken, jollof rice with chicken, plain rice with gravy, and a plain rice with vegetable stew, assorted fried rice, assorted jollof, French fries with chicken, banku with great tilapia, banku with okra stew, banku with a goat or tilapia lice soup, granola soup, rice balls with granola soup. Ninyina no chill out eatery and papa betimi aboa. Ama waduane din na timi agina yie. Abusua ba continental dish nso awo de name them. Ubenya ni nyina bi. Sa upe baby obedidi ema wakoma atona akoma yemu a. Komodi answer we weni be chill out eatery and pub. Me no ka say de alcoholic drink e wo ho and non alcoholic drinks ahodo bebre na me no ka say obomodi an de weni kire e chill out eatery ho a wonsa ebeka ama wonso udidi a wo de aboto me ba na so de be boto. Abusu Akufu Road fire service for na cheaper new police station wa enchemu pe won sabe ka chill out tree and pub Akufu Road and 0554 039939 na 0534 989227 0534 989227 wo ka chill out tree and papa o see the good na bomodi an feel good woni mi say sika nu botomu a fatwa so nyame na meto sa anwum na yesa akode ye kan sa no yesi ediama na eko se ne woni obi kobon komo Monday anopa ti se ne Friday yentu for no Monday anopa and try se woni obi kobon komo anye sikasem ono ubenya problem. Anything I make count for Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited says I won't name Cobon Comona and Common office who here pa Fafa wansa na Nkomono odi HD say Bosia bona wuko bi ho akobo bia ene ye mobosia yenko obi ho unua bi wo fa bi office o wesika unua bi oye adwuma wo commercial bank unua bi oye adwuma wo rural bank unua bi oye adwuma wo ADB unua bi oye adwuma wo bank bi wo pesa ko da bi enko ne ho nemu Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit say on twema won ka wa asem kura ne hia ye Ghana card that's any ana ye fufu party ne hia ye wasanka no we de ne hia ye Ghana card ne keke Bomodin so be from 030-2200-390 and 0596-920833. So we pay startup loans and emergency loans, salary loans, working capital loans and business loans. Ni na Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited say dwane to omo na omo be ti wo bre so simple kura the amount. Ewe aseme kondo adie bi. Agosu ya me kontra die bi ewie wo hu right enim wo hu kwami enim asa sorry dem akura adwen bon nko ha Nia me kondo fresh shakes if you don't Pablo Pub for sure na oda me ayaye ya no yare ni nyina no enye fresh shakes yi no maduru no anoma boto a anoma botota ono maduru na no anoma boto nene wa beka yensa na ebusuya wo fresh shakes egu ahodo ayeye ne fresh we enye kadem bia no ingredient no flavor bia yemfa bibia wo no natural enti wonu mu a wonu zampa wedie ya seda ye pa ni nyina Don Pablo Pap na make am for dia ma wo ko ne junction so a ono de se bia brochire no atene ni nti ochifi wo ko hese ne osande ne nsa keka hono mama e ho asan ye fa uhu environment no kura wo koji shakes na wedie ya ye nyente fa ge ne fa o fa wo yire sometimes fa ni pie wo girlfriend no sometimes ye ni show me come for Don Pablo Papa the amount say we pay fresh shakes pa de ekropon ya udu Mandela Junction na wo so Don Pablo Papa e ho a won sabe kan mo wo call Alive filling station in Chemu pe we ekropon a Don Pablo Papa also betimi place order crown say we do 0552 302607 0552 302607 and 050-200-8200. Don Pablo Pap or say bomodi abeju fresh shakes you know is an say one so no nipa nsefi nipa ye just o your man. Ewe yentu atufani enko Safari Valley Eco Park for sure ye wo. madam ya kasa ni nyina no ka mo be koto wo be say ampa aside to no kra no unim say wote environment ye conducive mu a unyi nche na environment ada pressure wo so de se ne unna honkwana na wote so ewi me kan for Safari Valley Eco Park e dey amount say bomoden a sesa ope baby obe relax weekend way mete sesa amre obi a boss ko share one side. So what I say now enjoy fine Safari Eco Park was the place to be. In fact obe ko hono ma kakra bi and so you see some in fact value for money Safari Eco Park na make am for the amount say we watching ewie wo weni akwa ube hu baby asambre ye games baby asambre mu adoma wate omudi hu bi da woni omu betimi edi agoro ebi kura ho betimi afidi omu anya ni nyina na ebe ho TV so sometimes yanso yanya adventures kakra enti ya koho na wonso ko filibi na nipa be ye bi wa me ni nyina enti se upe baby a obetimi anya wasumdwe na we give birth to a different ideas, business ideas and what have you Safari Valley Eco Park na make come for the amount from 0596 914394 0596 914394 Safari Valley Eco Park was bringing you closer to nature. Ewe ye nyina bedizi Abrante Prince Henry ne terms ne osi obia bedidi eye NDC parliamentary candidate de ma okre Prince Henry Oredu enim mema good afternoon ewe na wumpo mo bibia hye yeze na minjia Nana Ado Kenneth the hard energetic DC down to earth. Ewe mema good afternoon. Na mincha Beruma MCE de ma Ekwape North. Another nice gentleman. Mema good afternoon ewe. Na minko Ekwape South. Na minchia MCE owo. Na bibia boko de data. Na ewe upesa woni mpanifo nyina hia omo bia ye ba akopɛ wo so sɛn enso nyame ye wo ba kɔ mo te wo bagase form ho adwene papa upe baby obetimi adidi na woni mpanifo atimi afa business adwen a yenso nyame ye choba isane se titirifo nyina minimum o man kronkron Ghana mu ene ekwape mu ane epie mantem a obi atu ne ka ewia na yenso nyame ye choba eye fufuo kokonte omutu light soup yekumi kura no eye bunabunu no enwa wom okoto wom emire wom wo se me chewo hu manfi apostolic asori dan na chire pe won sabeka enso nyame ye choba wo ho from 0242 017553 ofuru wa choba o si did good na feel good. Over the weekend na superb ye Juma Saturday and Sunday na it was massive. Make I will say when you betimi CPS ita then you have to join the official party center. Senya Accra and Awa and you obey Kwapema Kropon. A honum na Assembly Superb Lounge Butu. For all your birthday parties, what have you? Nyapeso yebiano, we are ready to assist you. So what you say? Anopa ewia enwumere upa baby assembly a bosso. Weekends na dia. Eni jai. Enye superb pa den welless. Bomodin asa woni superb. Ebe hwe abom wo won kran a eye fani fast street omo ben top radio pe kokomeremere won sabeka superb lunch wo ho efe wo bomodin aba ekwapem so a ekropo na ekwapem omo be omo ye opposite major pharmacy na kai say on the 2nd of December omo the Batman Samini Eba on the 2nd of December ena eye King Promise so ba on the 30th of December. It is one game no we know 442 second day in the month of December King Samini Eba live it was superb lunch ekroponic apem the official party center akro we dey efe ubomodin adu ani kire on the 30th day in the month of December kro ya nti 1 month no about 2 artists one hu ni nti ankrofo na da no If not Superb, where is Superb Lunch, your official party center? Samri Mamichia Solo. Solo, a manager was Superb. Good afternoon. Say Bibia Boko there. Also low. Any Majesty, good afternoon. Not forgetting my own brother AYB to say Bibia Boko there. Sister Ma. Aha, me mamu nyina good afternoon. Hey, boy. Aha, good afternoon. And to the entire fans assembly, Mutie Kasafide 24/7. This has been the best radio station in Eastern region so far. So what's in news in Abano? On my analysis and yes, studio imu fepa wogana eyemienu. We your commander nani account account. Anyway, mami mo atia kakra na fashion coin. Good afternoon. Ayuko.
Besa onimiko okodimi siko AI Meso mapene suwa mani hunesa Minini kodia meti miko But she say why me Na me just say be your friendly Take me on a date so you could know me Nobody said I fade yeah We are my matchy break
Mama no please. Professor would me sick and low key. When we need more lipstick, they would tie jeans. So would the Bama media, me zoom my mouse streets.
Me say I don't go be best. Only me go. Okodimi siko. Yeah. Me suma pin, suma money on the set. Minini ko idea, minini ko dia, meti me ko. Slim team, should the steez me locking up. I rush on the DM, me one, I'm texting up. The best of I'm in chain, I cry, I'm enticing up. Please don't take me there, unless you promise you never leave. Stay with me till the morning breeze, baby. Yeah, girl, you're bouncing up my brain. You got to recognize the man in me. Don't give me stories, I beg you, please. Oh, baby. So tease me, baby. Oh, you better leave me, baby. Oh. You say I don't go be best. Only me go. Okodimi siko. Yeah. Miss so my penis, so I'm money on the set. Mini me go, yeah, Mexico. Ayuko. But she say why me? I made this rebel where you're friendly. Take me on a date so you could know me. Nobody said I fade it. We are my matchy break.
Mama no please. Professor would me sick and low key. I'm on a fair one here do more Chinese. They catch you can Bahamile. Bahamu streets.
See I don't go be best. Only me go. Okodimi siko. Metuni we go.
Ayuko.
Mamenyenia I'm a made makumena Mama no Maybe I made dream to me Simon Kobe Mepena I mean baby I made dream to me San Mitchell Munkopi Mepena Odonu go fu pinzase Bosima modonu go fu pinzaso Efibo wasembade akukudiri na wuka senti wasembado Baby I made dream to mensani mechiri na munkobio Maka selo wantase I mean baby I made dream to mensani mechiri munkobio Mepe ina kana me yamao kitchen. Mafia with pepper soup, no, you love chicken. In you book, you do love kitchen. I mean, mafia with pepper soup, no, you love chicken. Until for fry, I get off fry, fancy natty. I told you, I'm gonna do say most of my soul me more, boy, romantic. Other would in a kumemo, okay, you namantic. That could boy, I'm with them, you know your nonsense. When they told them, I say the fact. I don't know what for being sassy. Most of my mother don't know what for being sassy. If people was somebody, I could do na book a sainty was somebody. But baby, I made dream to and Mitchell na Munkomio. I can't still one sassy. I mean, baby, I made dream to and Mitchell Munkomio.
Anyway, greetings going out to you, Chairman, Bia Chairman, Mr. Apia Yosin, aka Mr. Superb. Good afternoon to you, Mama Annie, aka Madam Superb. Masalo, and come on, shoe fabric for you, ma'am. Good afternoon, hey, my own. My brother, a muscle, applause. Bibi Aboko, there, my brother. And here, Jumaya for more Indigo Textiles. Good afternoon. Alright, I'm about to draw the curtains down, but all the same, did the famous birthdays, you know, Eddie bro, baby, I will be yeah, want you. Those people celebrating their birthday today. Mami Fanko. And then one Frederick Nanka Bruce, or your journalist, politician, way back in the Gold Coast, and a Maso Amponsa, Obekaya, na Abranti, Obobo Osingpa, Maso Amponsa, on the 9th day in the month of October 1986, any war, no, so what you say? And my main phone call back Kakra Obeka Richard Okran make an semi a footballer na Obonibo as a defender the Zambia Premier League a club in Ghana Obeka ya Wabobo papa the Amagana for so many years Richard Okran born 26th day Uzi born on the 9th day. So I say these are the few people I wuni omudi omawoda Maswol Amponsa 9th day in the month of October 1986 any war Maswol Amponsa and if Frederick Nanka Bruce or also no a physician as well as journalist and a politician way back in Gold Coast. Inti and now wawoda Charlie happy birthday Kasiepa and come on is an say Charlie when you medina anka me my beans. All right, you're from it, and I call me Perry. Who wait me from the finals? Here we commander, the boss of the bosses. Mami Chaposi for more crop on him, more do crowing, and not forgetting my good brother. Yeah, Mario. Hey, Koro, Eben. Yes, Mario. Somewhere, dear. Nami Chia National Security for you now. Hey, Mama, good afternoon. It is your brother. Hey.
wifey time can I talk?
All right, for God and country, this is how I draw the curtains down. But me for the people's favorite and from real. Me for I can say from my KBB Kwaku Boating Boache Nefe Gideon to Okoria man. Not forgetting the entire staff sem holding me down. Mama day the biggest afternoon show bro. As well as what I know me technical in charge and also to use the GB. I wish I want to make KBO. I try Tuesday. Me no best. Good afternoon.